guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Akusia Sapoma. If you've not yet subscribed, make sure you hit the button and then subscribe. If you've done it already, I want to share my gratitude towards you. I want to say I am so very much grateful to you. Keep on watching, like and leave a comment. So today's video is going to be a short one, how to do your simple makeup. So you know what, I think it would be nice for every girl to have this basic thing. Like, you don't have to pay for everything. Let's say you're paying for your nails, your hair and makeup. It's going to cost too much. So I think it's about time for you to learn a basic tutorial on how to cover a simple way. Sometimes, let's say you're going to work, you just need a simple one, but you don't have the, let's say, materials for applying makeup. When I was starting makeup like tutorials, I didn't really know the styles I was going to use here. That was the most difficult part. I didn't know which one was foundation and when to apply. But then when I got to know, you need to know. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, keep watching. So before you start the makeup, you have to get your primer, foundation, concealer, your brushes for your brows, pencils for drawing your brows, lipstick. I think so far those are the basic ones. Your powder. Yeah, that's it. It's not that difficult. If you really want to learn, make sure you get used to this materials I mentioned. So first of all, make sure you have your primer. It's very important here. You know why? Because most people face the breakouts all the time, because when you apply makeup, definitely it's going to enter your skin pores, which is not favorable for the skin. So before any makeup, make sure you apply your primer. That's the most important thing. The primer will help close your skin pores and prevents the foundation you apply from entering your skin. You get me? So that's the main reason why you apply the primer before starting the makeup or applying the foundation. Yeah. So today I'm not going to show the styles, the material I use, but then I'm going to just mention them. Foundation, first step, concealer. Let's say you can choose to draw your brows before you apply your foundation. You can finish drawing, applying your foundation, and then later draw your brows, and you're good to go, my dear. So let's start. Okay, so guys, here we go. So before you draw your brows, make sure your pencils are very, very sharp. Sharpen them before you draw your brows in order to get a sharp what do we call it, a sharp edge of your brows to draw. So let's go on. Okay, be fast. So before that, brush your, you have to brush your brows, like brush them, brush your brows. Calm down. So you draw your brows, that's drawing. I normally start this way. So I just want my brows to look natural, So I'm going to use the pencil to draw it, and then you get me. Yeah. And it looks natural. I feel great about it. Like these are my brows. Yeah. Guys, I am done. Like, how do you say it? Guys, how do you see it? Fooling myself. Fooling myself. I'm done drawing my brows. So next one, I'm going to apply my foundation. Do you know why? I don't want to show you the product I use. It's broken. It doesn't look presentable. That's why. So pardon me for that. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Baby, show me that I never knew. My baby, my shawty. Guys, how do you see? It looks simple, right? So this is the foundation. Done applying the foundation and drawing my brows. So next one, we are going to apply the concealer so it brightens our face a little bit. So let's move on. So this time around, I'm done applying my concealer. Time for Spain. Makeup tutorials. I'm good to go. If let's say I'm going for work, yeah, I can put on this and I am good. How do I look? Thanks for watching. You know what? You don't have to pay for everything in this world. Yeah, making your nails, paying them, going to the salon. Sometimes you gotta try something on your own. Trust me, and it's good to try something on your own. Sometimes after you're done with your makeup, you just feel great. Like, dang, I didn't pay for anything, any amount, and I look good. Thanks for always watching. I want to say I love you so much. Keep on watching, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Okay, I love you so much.